Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, August 14th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, H pattern with lightning, H pattern, wide state, H pattern, V pattern, wide state, H pattern. If the price doesn't get around this 200 on our 2-minute chart, that'll be our hard stop. So we're expecting $1. It might go beyond the dollar. If it gets on top of the 200 moving average, we will stick with it. If it can't get over the 200 on our 2-minute chart, once the price gets in that range, we'll close out. And here's our first retrace. Impulse, correct. I expect another impulse. Again, we're going to use the 200 moving average on our 2-minute chart as a backstop. If we can't blow through that with speed and violence, we'll probably get about $1 on this move. It might get rejected right around that dollar area, the 460.50 area. Come all the way back down to the low of the day, create a new low of the day, springboard off the low of the day, and try to make another approach to that targeted area. And if it does that point, it might have enough speed and violence to get on top of that 200, especially around the 21 moving average on our 2-minute chart, which is a narrow state, or it's entering a narrowing state. Gain enough traction and leverage the power moving averages to continue on the upward move to build momentum.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to stick around for another 40 seconds or so, basically until the bar closes. I want to see how it's going to react off of this 200. If we can't get above the 200 by bar close, right around the bar open, we'll close out and just take what we have on the table.
Order filled.
And there's roughly around $1.20 move, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.